In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to check, and how to confirm the deletion safely. Before we begin, remember that you need to be an admin of the workspace to delete it, and deleting a workspace is permanent. All boards in that workspace will be closed and ultimately removed, so consider exporting or moving anything important first. Start by opening your browser and going to Trello.com. Sign in if you aren't already. From your Trello home, look for the Workspaces area. This is where all of your team spaces live. Find the workspace you intend to remove and open it. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the right place. Deleting the wrong workspace can't be undone, so a quick double check now can save a lot of trouble later. Inside the workspace, head to the boards view so you can see everything that belongs to it. Open one of the boards briefly to spot check its contents. This isn't strictly required, but it helps confirm whether there's anything you need to archive, transfer to another workspace, or export before deletion. When you're satisfied, navigate back out and return to the workspace area. Next, go to the workspace's settings. Depending on your layout, you'll find a settings option in the left sidebar or under a workspace menu. In settings, look for a section labeled change or similar. This is where Trello groups workspace details and destructive actions. Click into that area. You should see an option that says delete this workspace. Select it. Trello will display a clear warning that all boards in this workspace will be closed. Read that carefully. This is your final checkpoint to verify that removing the workspace is truly what you want. If you need one last look, go back to the boards view and review anything critical. Otherwise, continue. When you're ready, click Delete this workspace. Again, to proceed, Trello typically asks you to confirm by typing the workspace name. Enter the exact name of the workspace to verify that you understand the action. This step helps prevent accidental deletions and ensures you're targeting the correct space. After you've typed the name, choose Delete Workspace to finalize. Trello will process the request and show a confirmation message indicating the workspace has been deleted. That message is your signal that everything completed successfully. You can close the confirmation by clicking the X on the banner. Now refresh your browser page. A refresh helps clear any cached data and ensures your workspaces list is fully up to date. Once the page reloads, go back to the Workspaces section and scan the list. The workspace you just deleted should no longer appear. If you still see it, give the page another moment and refresh again. Occasionally there's a brief delay before the list updates. Let's recap the flow you followed. You went to Trello.com and opened the correct workspace from home. You reviewed the boards area to confirm whether anything needed to be saved or moved. You opened Settings, entered the Change area, and selected Delete this workspace. You read the warning about all boards being closed, confirmed the action by typing the workspace name, clicked Delete Workspace, saw the confirmation banner, closed it, refreshed the page, and verified that the workspace no longer appears in your list. A couple of final tips as you wrap up. If you only need to stop using a workspace temporarily, consider transferring ownership or changing member access instead of deleting it. And if you're on a paid plan, make sure billing is addressed before deletion so you don't lose track of administrative details tied to that workspace. That's it. You've successfully deleted a workspace in Trello with confidence and the right safety checks in place.